Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So Aerocool and Thunder X3 was kind enough to send us some goodies for an upcoming build, and I thought, why not do an unboxing today? So we'll take a look at the Thunder X3 PSU and the Orbital C fans. Let's roll the intro. So let's unbox the Orbital C fans. What do we have here? RGB header cables, remote for all the different modes, colors and speeds and so on, RGB controller with SATA power, and the fans themselves. Some mounting screws. The fans come with dual lead rings, hydraulic bearings and anti-vibration pads, as well have a diameter of 12 centimeters. I think it's time to see the fans in action. So let's take a look at the Plexus PSU. We got an owner's manual, bag full of modular cables, power cord, some mounting screws and the PSU itself. The Thunder X3 Plexus comes with a maximum load of 800 watts. The PSU comes with 6 PCIe connectors, 6 peripheral connectors, 2 8-pin for your motherboards and of course the ATX connector. This PSU is RGB enabled, comes with an RGB fan on the top and a LED backlit acrylic panel. And on the back you got your RGB switch for the different modes. So let's check out the PSU in action. So I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the Thunder X3 PSUs and the Orbital C fan, and we'll be using these products in an upcoming build from Aerocool in the Cylon case very soon. So if you like what I do, please do subscribe and see you next time. Cheers!